Hi everyone, Melissa here. Today I am doing a bit of a neutral cleanse, you could call it, on my hands. What does that mean? Well, if anybody who watches me knows that I don't typically do like the pastels and the chromes and the colors. I love colors, but like the more, I don't know, the brighter, springier things. I love my neutral colors, so I need some neutral colors on my hands, and I was just thinking back to some of the very, very first dip powder colors I ever got, and one of them was this color. It's just Hush by Revel, and I said I want to wear it. As you can see, I already took the neutral plunge on my left hand here with Truffle from West Coast Dip, because West Coast makes amazing neutrals. But yeah, I'm kind of going to throwback with some old colors and old combo that I don't know that I've ever used, but I've always thought about. So I have Hush and Ombre from Revel Nail, and then Pillow Talk, and we're just gonna do a pretty simple, vertical ombre design look. Also, hopefully my audio and my video aren't glitching this time. I know with my last video I had some glitches going on, which my husband so thoughtfully edited through, so hopefully we are not having that problem again this time and things are going to be normal. So I do actually, if you watched my Ombre, the Gel X extension video I did, I'm still rocking those. They're still on here. I have cut them down a couple times. I have filled them. I actually filled them with the Presto Extend Gel all-in-one that I used to put them on. But the seal on these and the staying power on this is incredible. If you want to see how that worked, you can go back and check out that video that I did. But I've only had to replace one nail, and that was in the in the pop-off video, the last video I did, I think. The last video I did? I don't know. They are going strong. I'm just filled, and I did some underfiling to thin them out, but other than that, beautiful. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just start laying my colors down. Now, this is one of those trusting my mind moments, because I haven't swatched these. I have so many colors that I just don't swatch them. I don't have time for that. So, we're going with a trust my brain and my color memory, and hoping that these colors work beautifully together and that the design I have in mind works beautifully. If not, oh well. So I'm gonna start with Hush, which I'm going to put here and here on these two. We're gonna do a full Pillow Talk nail, and then we're gonna do a ombre. Might use all three, might use just two, I don't know yet. We're definitely gonna have glitter ombre on there, and then a more on the little pinky nail. Okay, here I'm gonna do an ombre. I'm gonna have Hush and more. I'm gonna do Hush a little bit more than halfway. That way, once I ombre the glitter on it, you'll be able to see a little bit of the Hush to more ombre not covered by the glitter. That's the idea. Again, this is all in theory because I haven't tested it, but it looks pretty in my head, I guess. Alright, I'm just gonna lay out the pillow talk in my little dipped in chaos container, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on this nail, and then we'll do the little bit of ombre. A little bit of ombre. Okay, got that on. I did one full layer and then a second full layer, and then I just kind of like placed base in just a select few spots, and then went in one more time just to pick up a couple more things and fill in some spaces. It's a very pretty color. I don't think I've ever used this as a full nail. I think I've only used it for ombre before, so yeah, it's first time here. But now we do the ombre, so I'm going to first dust this one off. I did not activate this one because I didn't want this to dry when I put this base on. I didn't want it to dry yet, so I'm just going to put a layer down here. Alright, now I just gotta do clear over these guys, and then I can start filing. Alright, I'm gonna use my top coat from Double Dip today to finish this off, my dip powder top coat. I don't use it that often and I love it, and I need to give it more love. So I'm just gonna give it a quick activate. And this is when I'll be able to see how the colors are looking, and of course I love them. It's such like a beautiful like rosy mauve kind of color. All right, there they are. They are so pretty. Definitely colors that are going to make me happy. Happy place colors for me. Definitely the more neutral colors. So thank you for coming by to hang out while I do my nails, and I hope you enjoyed this. And if you love these colors, go check them out on Revel Nail. I believe all of them are still available. They keep colors around for a long time. I can post my referral link down in the description if you want to follow that to make a purchase. I think it's only if it's your first purchase, but it gets you a discount, I believe. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much as always for joining me, and I'll see you next time.